From all of us at Santa Clara County Parks, happy Earth Day! Earth Day is an opportunity to celebrate environmental protection efforts, and in that spirit, we celebrate a legacy of wilderness and historical preservation. There's no denying the fact that last year was hard on many of us. In the last 12 months, Santa Clara County endured a global pandemic as well as an intense fire season. Throughout it all, the county parks stand strong as places where people can enjoy the outdoors. Each one of our 28 parks offers the chance to see the fruits of local conservation efforts. At the southern end of San Francisco Bay sits Alviso Marina County Park. While people can come here to access the nearby wildlife refuge or take boats out and explore the slough, the park is a story of success. Its preservation ensures that people will have a place to view hundreds of beautiful shorebirds. Several mammals like harbor seals and the salt marsh harvest mouse call this place home as well. The salt marsh itself filters water runoff into the ocean and helps in the fight against climate change as plants will sequester carbon and bury it in the soil. These wetlands are a great aid to Alviso. Shoreline communities have a history of flooding, and as the wetlands grow, they act like sponges that absorb flood water, which could damage many homes if left unchecked. Coast redwood trees from Monterey to Mendocino have been logged since the days of Spanish colonization. Once the forest habitats provided bountiful resources to the Ohlone people, but the pressures of colonization and the mission system broke apart tribal society and diminished Ohlone culture. As the demands of Spanish, Mexican, and American settlement increased, the hills were stripped bare. Some residents of San Jose, like Andrew P. Hill and Carrie Stevens Walter, formed the Sempervirens Club in 1900 to fight for the preservation of the redwood forests. While the Sempervirens Club is best known for its role in the formation of Big Basin Redwood State Park, the forest would expand well beyond the state park boundaries, and Santa Clara County would establish Sanborn County Park in the late 1970s. Every year, hundreds of children have the chance to explore the redwoods in outdoor education programs, while travelers can camp beneath the spectacular giants that have sprouted up since the days of logging. Beneath Mount Umunum and its decommissioned radar station lies a county park where the effects of the gold rush can still be felt today. Almond and Quicksilver County Park is vast, with miles of trails where people can hike, run, and bike while enjoying views of the surrounding hillsides. Located here are the ruins of Quicksilver mining towns from a time when mercury was needed to mine gold. These towns would catch the eye of Mary Halleckfoot, an accomplished author and illustrator who lived here with her husband, who was a mining engineer during New Almaden's heyday. Her accounts, compiled in a work titled A Victorian Gentlewoman in the Far West, would inspire Wallace Stegner's classic novel Angle of Repose. Today, efforts are underway by Santa Clara County Parks and other agencies to restore the mercury-contaminated watershed. If you would like to learn more, my friends Victoria Hayes and Dan LaFlash created some excellent videos about the park's history and legacy. As we look a little closer to our homes and businesses, our eyes might settle on the intersection of two highways. Just a few miles north of New Almaden, people will start their daily routines with a quick loop around Cottle Park. Although it does not feature the maze-like levees of Alviso Marina or towering giants of Sanborn, this park's intrigue comes from the story it tells about our past while modeling environmentally sustainable behavior for the future. Deeded by Walter Cottle Lester in 2003, Cottle Park serves as a reminder to people about the agricultural legacy of the Santa Clara Valley before it became the center of the tech industry. Beyond its historic and educational value, various partnerships cement its place as a site where people can give back to their community. The Friends of Cottle Park work diligently to promote agricultural knowledge and environmental awareness, while the University of California provides opportunities for gardening education, composting education, and youth mentorship. The crop fields at Cottle are leased to local farmers, demonstrating the viability of organic farming and local food production. These are only a few of our parks, although so much more could be said. To the south are beautiful recreational spaces like Mount Madonna and Uvis Canyon, although we cannot forget the simple beauty of places like Vasona Lake. The significance of these parks is not just for us to tell you about, but we also want to hear from you. Please give us a like and leave a comment below to tell us which park is your favorite one to visit. Share this video with your friends so we can hear from them, and so others can get some visitor knowledge about what makes our parks great. Thank you, and we hope you have a happy Earth Day.